guys, I'm just getting last minute touches, packing up some last minute things in the car, about to head out to Auburndale, meet up with the homies. My first time being there, so I'm excited to drive this track, and it is Sunday, so hopefully it's not gonna be too hot outside, but we'll see. I shall see you when we get there, so it's gonna be fun. That's not my car, this is your car. Yeah, anyway, so my first run, Is it jacked? Not jacked, it's switching. Yeah. Hit the wall and didn't really know why. Everyone was asking me what happened and I couldn't explain it. But I found out my heim joint split in half. That makes sense why I couldn't steer out of the wall. So, you want to see the outcome? And no frame damage though, so it's all good. Bang it out tomorrow or later today.
Yeah, but the kids love that shit, so.
Yeah, I just got here. What are you doing? What are you doing, Pat?
Not listening to my inner drift god telling me not to come out here when I don't have my own truck and trailer, because then your heim joints take shit. So now I'm rigging this up. Thanks to Keegan. Let me borrow his ratchet straps, his ratchet strap master.
I want to be a part of it.
Yeah.
Don't show my Alright, so we got my tension rod ratchet strapped and I'm gonna go do a damn lap. Because that's what I came here to do. Hey, show, look. What's it look like, boy?
It looks good, man.
Oh, I'm gonna let you edit this one. Alright guys, ratchet strap, tension rod drifting. How to fix your car at the track if you break a tension rod and you still want to drift. Yeah, don't ratchet drift. Ratchet strap drifting. Don't do it.
Yeah.
Whenever you have a gut feeling, go with your gut feeling, because since yesterday my car wasn't driving correctly. Like, I don't know. It was like, I tried a couple drifts this morning, and it was like understeering more than normal. But I thought it was just like, maybe because I just woke up and I don't know. I was like, I'll go to the event anyway. And went to the event, first run, hit the wall at Auburndale. So the car was understeering and I couldn't steer into it to counter steer it. That's really all I can explain. I don't know. It was weird, but I found out after I jacked the car up that the heim joint basically wasn't even, it had no heim joint at the tension rod on the passenger side. So we then decided to go and ratchet strap the control arm to the power brace, and I went and drifted the car then, and the understeer was worse. So I don't recommend doing that. It sucks. Still a fun adventure. It's nothing too bad. Stuff that can be banged out with a hammer, you know. First drift car, it's gonna happen. I mean, even second drift car, pro drift car. It happens to the best of us. New tension rods tomorrow in Juku. Here I come. I hope this will be funny for you guys to watch. It was kind of funny for me after hitting the wall. It's like, what? But I'll catch you guys next time. I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up and put away and get some food because I'm starving. Thank you, Keegan, for taking me back to my house, and you're a real one. Appreciate it, bro. But I'll catch y'all next time. Until then, peace.